Ben the dog is taking over the meme coin space. Will this be the #1 meme coin of 2024? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're doing a deep dive on Ben the dog coin that has caught the internet by frenzy. Let's go ahead and take a deep dive on this project. Before to the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below as it helps with the channel tremendously. We see Ben the dog currently trending at number 5 on CoinMarketCap, down 8% on the day, maybe a good time to buy, up 75% on the week, and up over 879% on the 30-day, which is absolutely insane. With a small market cap of $50 million, is this token going to be the next meme coin sensation? That's what people are believing to be. Overall, meme coin market starting to look good again. General crypto market starting to look good. Bitcoin holds position at 69 to 70K, which is great. Ethereum took a bit of a nosedive this weekish. It's down to about $3,600. Fear and greed index is slowly creeping back towards neutral. We're sitting at 60, which is not too shabby. Obviously, we want this to do better. In terms of volume, we're up 35%. In terms of total market cap, we're down about 1% on the day. Not too shabby. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Ben the dog. We can see we took a look at the weekly stats. We see a $51 million market cap, making a top 625 cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. And we can see, watch the main levels of low market cap sold meme coins under $50 million. Ben the dog, no skip. And it looks like people are really aping into this project. And it is massively early. $50 million market cap. This could absolutely blow up because it's catching a lot of attention. Talking about a project with low market cap and catching a lot of attention, let's talk about Play Doge, a play to earn cryptocurrency that's currently on pre-sale. And in 1 day and 10 hours, they are going to have another price hike. So you might want to load up now. Link in the description below. They've currently raised $3.7 million, so less than a $4 million market cap. Not too bad. Project's not even live yet. So imagine post-launch, it's going to continue to pump. So it could be a great time to buy. Play Doge is the ultimate mobile play to earn game that bridges the iconic Doge meme to the life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Secure your play tokens in pre-sale to earn crypto while in nostalgic 2D retro game adventures. We also see it has staking with a 300% AP, dynamic range staking, meaning the fluctuation will change over time. But we've seen this upwards of 800% AP, which is absolutely insane. You can buy with ETH, USDT, card, or even BNB. 4 ways to buy. Mentioned on a ton of different places, so it definitely has its leg in the game. They have an about tab, clean website, clean UI, dope roadmap, and great tokenomics as well. And the website's designed absolutely perfectly. Make sure you check out this project, link in the description below. But let's go back to Ben the dog token, because this one again has been catching a lot of attention in the meme coin market and has the potential to become a top meme coin. Let's go over to check out the social channels. You can see over 72,000 followers on X. The one and only Ben dog on Sol. And I don't know if you guys remember, but this Ben dog was a very popular ISO game back in the day. We see gaming, SocialFi, staking, and they also have a Telegram community. I imagine would have a decent amount of people in it with over 52,000 people. So again, guys, community is big, and for meme coins, and Ben the dog token definitely has a solid community it's been building. We can see, yes, Ben dog is live on BitBuy, which is great. And let's see what other markets it's available on. In terms of markets, guys, it is available on Radium, Gate.io, MEXC. So again, no massive exchange listings just yet, meaning when it does get a massive exchange listing, it's going to have a massive pump. Okay, we can see pretty active on social media as well. Ben is back. We could send Ben to new all-time highs, please. And we see the chart pattern drawn out, taking this puppy upwards to 12 cents, which is actually not bad price target. Currently at 5 cents, so simple 3x from here. But honestly, I'm seeing this project go higher, maybe even to a $1 market cap. Because remember, the supply is not that crazy when looking at the majority of meme coins. They have, again, a small market cap right now, holding a 5-cent price. So if we get to a 150 million, $1 billion market cap, this could potentially be a are we going to see this for $5? A solid 100x from here. It's quite possible. Chart predictions are looking pretty bullish as well. We see Ben dog is trending. Ben keeps climbing the meme trending tower. Last week, an all-time high here on X. Right now, it's on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Additionally, Dex Screener and Dex Tool apps. Ben dog is inevitable, and that's great. We've seen lots of price predictions. People are just bullish on this project. A strong community. And let's go over to the website. So meet Ben dog. Dive into Ben Holla, the Solana-based ecosystem. Woof woof. And we can see it's been featured on a ton of different articles and protocols, which is great. These are places you could buy now. And the story in 2017, Anatoly Alvinko was working on a new blockchain project, Solana, to nail it. He needed to an unconventional advertiser advisor, and discovered Ben Dog. He's a simple yet timely inspiration, helped Anatoly to take the plunge. As a result, Solana became a massive success, and Ben Dog is a significant member of its community. Pretty cool little story. Hold on tight, bro. I've planned our adventure, and we can see the Ben Holla and a clean website. They got helping Ben. I guess this is like their first milestones. Looks like they also have a play to earn game as well, as they want to be in the gaming space. They got staking as well. The getting started tab, which looks like I guess showing what features they have to offer. Tokenomics, the LP burn, there's no taxes, a decent small supply. Everything's looking pretty solid for this project. Now again, at the end of the day, guys, utility don't matter, staking don't matter. What really matters is community for a meme coin, and this token absolutely is crushing it. They're crushing the community aspect of things, and if the market cap can catch up with the community, it could be massively insane for this project. Remember, 50,000 people on the Telegram chat, 71,000 followers on X. It's only a matter of time where the market cap catches up with the community, and this project could be a massive meme coin in the space. Like always, so guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.